Hello and welcome to I Ching Sticks. My name is Sean and today I'm going to be taking a set of I Ching sticks and looking at the hexagram number 19. And I'm going to bring you along with me and show you the inner world, the outer world, and the hidden energy that make what 19 approach is. So take your time, sit back, and join me. Hello and welcome to I Ching Sticks. Works into play here. So let's take a look at it. Now, so here I have approach or moving towards your goals. And you can see at the top upper trigram we have Earth, which represents our outer world, which is a yielding energy. And underneath we have our three trigrams representing a lake and again openness. So what is approach? The I Ching sticks, you're able to look at that. You're able to study. And that's exactly what we're about to do, of looking inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is focus on the upper or the outer worlds, the upper three trigrams. When I open the I Ching sticks, you can see changes beginning to occur in lines 1, 3, and 5. This creates a new hexagram on the left side. You have your primary force and you have a new relating force. The bottom trigrams now are Earth and the top trigrams are also Earth, which makes hexagram number 2 or the receptive energy. The primary force of the outer world that creates approach is the receptive. On the right-hand side, we have our relating force. In this case, we have water over fire, which is number 63, or after completion. That is the upper trigram, or the outer world of number 19 approach. Here we have the lower trigram of number 19. When I open it, you will see the creation of 2 new hexagrams just inside. You also see 3 changes. Our new primary force on the left-hand side is thunder over heaven, which is 34, the power of the great. And we also see 3 changes. So again, we want to focus on the center change. That relates over to our new hexagram, which is our relating force, and we have lake over water. Number 47, exhaustion. So there you have it. You can see all of that information just within one hexagram. And there's ways to delve even deeper into it. So you can see the wealth of information that the I Ching sticks really provides to you. The knowledge that's hidden deep inside of each hexagram. It's absolutely amazing. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to coming back and breaking down some other ones and helping you study.